What's good to what's going on with everyone and what's happening out there? I guess everyone had a great trading week, and I guess we're still having a great one. But it's your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. So, in today's video, I just want to break down some things and just put some things here and just let y'all or just give y'all the signal just to end the Friday. So I know that like I didn't upload like I was supposed to this week. I had some network problems. My Wi-Fi tripped up on me. So now we back again. So I just want to tell y'all that like I miss y'all so much. And I know some of y'all miss me, but I'm back again and it's time to put in work. So on today's video, I just want to break down a few things that um like how can I start? Being a trader or being a full-time trader, it's not the easiest shit to do in life. Like whether you're a fucking photographer, whether you're a fucking sportsman, whatever that you say you are, I know in any career path, shit ain't easy. But being a full-time forex trader, bro, shit's too hard. Like, um, I last had a profitable month on May, the month of May this year. Before me, so ever since June, July, and this current month, I haven't made enough profit to say I'm willing to withdraw, I'm willing to give my mom some, and I'm willing to do everything that I always do it with, that I always use some capital with. Before me. But that's not the case. I'm just trying to let y'all know that like being a full-time trader, it's not easy. The pros and the cons can take the whole fucking day breaking them down. But it's greatness because I have freedom. I do what I need at the time that I need it with whoever I need to, whenever I need to. I do shit whenever I feel like doing it. I keep up with anything whenever I feel like keeping up with. And it's just me, how happy as I am. I'm doing shit that I'm doing. And I'm on the verge of greatness, bro, you feel me? But being a full-time trader, it's not easy. Just gotta put in work, believe in yourself, trust the process, trust yourself, pray, meditate, hit the gym, go out when you feel like it, do anything that you're supposed to just so you can get some shit cleared out. You feel me? So it's your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. You feel me? Believe in yourself, trust the Lord, trust your power, trust your worth, and just follow your heart at all fucking times. So like I have shit that I've always manifested for myself this year. Before I can't share most of it. I can't share most of it, but like I had some shit that I manifested for myself this year. And I'm grateful that 80% of my manifestations have actually came true or actually came to being something tangible for me. For me. So I'm still working on the things that I manifested, some 20% of the things that I manifested. One, it's spending my festive season in Cape Town. I want to be in Cape Town so bad. Boom. I manifested it and I'm putting in work for it. And it's obviously something that it's already done. You feel me? So I pray we put in work, we stay productive, we stay consistent. We just believe in ourselves and trust the Lord. And it's time to put in work. Let's roll over and let's hit the charts. So on my weekly outlook, I said if you can get a break of the previous double top or today's resistance level which we had, we can continue bullish. But if you have a failed break, we start looking for that bear momentum. Before we had a breakout, but price broke in again. So on my previous video, plan your trades and trade your plans, I know I took sales. I know I took sales. I think it was right there before me. And unfortunately, price shot to the upside. I couldn't upload because my YouTube, that's when my network started tripping up upon me, you feel me? But with that said, we had a stop loss hit. I'm telling y'all, we had a stop loss hit. I repeat it, we had a stop loss hit and we had price breaking out, came back for a retest and took this continuation trade to the upside, which was just a recovery trade. It's not something I can advise most traders to do, but it's just a recovery trade. The form and we had price continuing the way it did. We had this continuation like we did, and then price breaking in, printing out this low, coming back for retest below. This is what I always do. Sell above, sell below, buy above, which we had a retest below and price continued. I did took this trade, came back, another trade, triple top, triple bottom. I took a trade yesterday, boom, and it took a profit. You follow me? So on today's trade, breaking it down like I always do, starting off from the daily time frame, we had a bullish close on Thursday, yesterday, but we had price closing below that rejection and this candle. With that said, I had to head down to the 4H. So from one of my favorite time frames, the 4H, we had now price printing out those lows, obviously, and price continuing bullish, which I was like, if we can get a trade, because I saw this as my resistance, we're getting this one. I was like, if we have a break, if we have a break, if we have a breakout and a break in, the only thing I'm waiting for is for price to actually trade below this level to continue bearish, which we now had this 4H candle close pre-New York, pre-London session. And I was like, you know what? Let me head down to the daily time to the 1H time frame. So from the 1H perspective, I saw now price giving us this double top, giving us this high, breaking out, coming back again inside of it. And with that, I was like, you know what? If price broke out and retested in the inside that level, I would print it. I did this yesterday on Wednesday and yesterday. I was like, you know what? We have a break. We have a breakout and a retest again of this resistance level. And we took a trade. Now I didn't took a trade. I let the market just play out. So when I woke up today, I saw price trading on this very same level, but I looked at the current price, those rejections. I was like, if we can get a close below those rejections, I can take a trade based on that pre-London bear momentum stepping in, just so I can say if it's pre-London, we have a bear momentum. That means on London session, we can have the bear trend to the downside before me, which is what we had 7 a.m. We had the 7 a.m. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., which was the London session. 10 a.m., we had a break of our double top, of our triple bottom, which I had. I was like, obviously, if we have a break, that's obviously we wait for what a retest and continue bearish. So that's the signal for the day. Long as we have price trading below this level, long as we have price trading below the triple bottom we had, we can still find that bear momentum stepping in the charts. If we have a trade below the triple bottom, which we have, we can still have a trade continuing to the downside. That's it for the day. That's it on the NAS. You follow me? So on gold, I might like to start from the 4H. On gold, on the weekly outlook, we had a price closing above this high, above this correction, and it was like we simply wait for what a continuation to the upside. But unfortunately, we had a breakout. Unfortunately, we had a breakout and a break in. You follow me? So with that said, we have this, we have this, and we have that. You follow me? So now with that said, we have price breaking out of that low of the support level and retesting with the double top and price continue to the downside. You follow me? So that's it. You follow me? So when I look at current price, I can tell that like prices of the previous intraday support level, prices of the intraday support level, if we can actually look at this in this perspective, we have price, we have price, we have price once printing this double top, higher high, higher low, higher high, pull back, double top again on the support level with the fail to break the support, continuation, higher low, higher low, higher high, and then we had this lower low, lower high type of structure. So if price is back again on the support level, previous support level, which is a strong level, which once made price push to the upside and coming back again to the same level. If we can get a break below and a retest below, we can continue bearish. But if we can get a fail to break and have that bullish momentum stepping in, we can start looking for that bullish momentum. So on the one edge, on the one edge, I have circulated this level, this falling wedge pattern. Long as we have a price, long as we can get price breaking this intraday trend, retest, continuing bullish, breaking the overall bear trend, retest, we can start looking for that bullish momentum. But the start of it, we simply wait for close above. We simply wait for close above those highs. You follow me? Close above those highs, stop loss on the right level, and we can actually take profit once price breaks out and retest. But on such type of trades, I actually love letting such trades run for as much as they could. Long as you have this bullish momentum, we can still continue and still hold this trade. Not to say it's a day trade, it's a day trade signal, but a swing trade signal, you form. So looking at German 30, I also did mention on my outlook, we have a bullish flag. We can start looking for that bullish momentum, but price didn't maintain it. And now price is actually trading below this. Now actually price is showing us this bear momentum. You follow me? So with that said, I actually saw this yesterday, this push and this correction and this breakout. So with that said, I see a bullish flag, but the only thing I'm simply waiting for is for price to simply trade below this intraday support level, which I had price tapping once, tapping again, breaking out. You follow me? So from the 4H, if we can simply get a close below the support level, can still continue bearish. You follow me? So on the 1H, we did have our flag, and price breaking out. So looking at current price, we can tell that like the bearish momentum is there, but the bulls are still trying to get a hold of the bears before me. So with that said, long as we can get a trade below the support level, we can still continue bearish. US 30, US 30 did actually tap on the level which was looking to sell from. You follow me? So now with US 30 now, because it's different, because now US 30 is different, the only thing that we're simply waiting for is for price to simply trade below the support level because price did tap multiple times and actually broke out on this London session. With this breakout and the close above and the close below, we can still continue bearish. So from the 1H, now we can tell that like we did have a close below. We're simply waiting for a retest with that bear momentum and continue bearish. Before me. That's it. And that's how I base my trades. You guys know it. No need to explain. That's how just base my trades. If you want to get a hold of me, bro, these are my numbers. Oh 67 040 0792. If you need to get a hold of me, you can call me on this number. I don't have WhatsApp. It's either you can call me or DM a nigga on Instagram and Uncle Holla. That's my only account. Oh, Uncle Holla. That's my only account. I only have two accounts, Sfiso Harlem and Uncle Holla, but that's the one you can get a hold of me. But I'm MIA for now. So call me on this number. Don't DM me on Instagram. I don't have Instagram for now. So obviously, like I say, we have a close above, we have a close below our support level. We can still look for that bear momentum, long as the bulls are depleting and the bears are having that pressure and momentum. USD CAD, USD CAD on my outlook, we did say once you can have a close above this intraday, if we can have a close above, price above, sells below, and we did have sales which we took, which my homie took, not which we took, which my homie took. So now looking at current price, we do have a close above for buys, you follow me? And what I base my trade on is for close above this double top, which we had and price did actually close above. We still look for that bullish momentum for continuation to take our trades. You feel me? That's how I base my trades and that's how I take my trades. I'm not looking for so much things and I'm not hoping for so much. Tesla, Tesla is still in that uptrend, which I don't understand, but price is failing to break the resistance level before me. So we don't see on the New York Open. Bitcoin, we actually say that like price was tapping in on this level multiple times and we had this bear momentum. We have price now breaking in and retesting above and continuing retesting below and continuing bearish. With yesterday giving us a bear flag. I do trade structure, patterns, candlesticks, reversals, continuations, whatever. I'm a price action trader. We had this flag and we was expecting a breakout. We are looking for a price to break out, which it actually did break out and hit stop loss. Now that we broke our resistance, our support level again, if we can get a retest right there for continuation or that flag again, that correction for continuation to the downside, that's it. But I still see that bear momentum on Bitcoin. Ethereum, again, same shit. We did, I did say that we're simply waiting for close below this level, which we did find. And it gave us two patterns. It gave us two signals or two confirmations. One was a break below or close below. Two was a bear flag type of pattern, which we did have a flag and price breaking out. Now we have a continuation to the downside. Litcoin, because a nigga laughed to a lit, same shit. Fell to break support, fell to break resistance, continuing to the downside, bear flag, breakout, retest, bear flag with the price breaking out, correcting, breaking out, and breaking out support level. We simply wait for a retest, continuation to the downside. I'm giving you guys signals, but I ain't no mentor. Oil, last but not least. Oil, we did say we're looking for buys once price breaks out of the bullish trend or once it trades below, once it trades above the support level, but price broke out. So looking at current price, we did have this type of flag, but this was different now. Some bear flags are different, bro. They just a trap. If only we did have this bear flag. So what I saw, it was now price trading below, above this high, above this level. I was like, if we can get a close above this one, this intraday high or this pre-New York high or this pre-London highs, we can actually still continue bearish, bullish, which we did have what a close above with price impulsively breaking out, which I look for an impulsive breakout. Boom. So now current price, because now we're on this type of level, type of zone, which I'm trading off of, but not this whole zone, but this current price zone. This current price zone is the one I'm looking at to take my continuation buys to the upside. But price actually broke in. My signal for the day, it was once price fails to break and trades above, we simply continue bullish. But with the break, with the retest below, we can continue bearish. You feel me? We can continue bearish because we was looking to trade above. We didn't get it. Now we're looking to continue below. If price gives us this bear momentum, and that's it. So, like I said, that's how it is. That's how we roll. It's your boy Harlem once again. If you went live trading with Harlem, who the fuck is you doing it with? I miss you guys so much. And I know you guys also miss me. It's a type of miss me situation. But we back again and we ain't going nowhere. You feel me? So I guess y'all had a profitable week. I guess y'all really enjoyed. I didn't have a profitable one. This is just recovery trades I'm looking to take, and that's just it. So it's your boy Harlow. If you end up trading with Harlow, who the fuck is you doing it? And I will upload tomorrow my weekly outlook for next week. What week is it? 22, the 22nd to the 26th. I'll be back on my weekly upload. So I'll upload today and I will upload on Monday and I will upload tomorrow. So it's your boy Harlow. If you end up trading with Harlow, who the fuck is you doing with it? That's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.